fall asleep or what?
Yeah, I just laid down on the couch and I'm so sorry. Like I'm so sorry.
Well, this sorry's not cutting it, man. Sorry's not cutting it. This is.
You could put the house on fire.
Oh, Corey.
I tried calling.
I'll clean it up. Don't worry.
Well, I'm worried. I'm really worried, Corey.
Well, don't. I just figured that I could use the oven to make some frickin' popcorn. That's all I wanted to
You can't
do.
use the oven to make popcorn now.
Well, tough lesson learned. I'm sorry.
Well, it could have been a
I
lot
don't have a
worse.
microwave or anything like that.
You
so
can't put paper in the oven.
look, I'm not the smartest guy on the planet.
It's microwave popcorn.
Again, I'm sorry.
I tried calling.
You know, it hasn't exactly been like the most stress-free living for myself either at the moment. And I'm not trying to like
We're not off
blame
to a good
anybody
start
else or
here.
anything. It's been rough for me too, you know, and I didn't know, and I fucked up, and I'm taking full blame. You know, I just wanted to have some freaking popcorn, but
Well, you can't put popcorn in the oven, man.
I didn't think about it like that. Like, I thought it would have been alright, like, if it heated up enough that it would just, like, snap, crackle, pop kind of
You
thing.
didn't hear the phone ring?
No, sir.
Can I take a look around the apartment? Is your daughter here?
Nope. She's at my mom's right now.
Are you alright?
Just a lot of stress, that's all, sir.
Help me out, Corey. You gotta help me out a little bit, man. Got something before or make something slow? The alarm was on. 15 minutes and she could wake you up.
I called you at least 5 times.
I did.
You answered your phone.
The alarm did go off 2 days ago because I was using my skillet, and when I was cooking, this thing here, the oil started to burn. So there was that time, and that's it.
I know what to do.
Yeah.
Okay, I can get up at 4 o'clock in the morning, come see you, put fires out at 4 o'clock in the morning, Corey. You gotta get it together, man. Do you need some help? Do I need to get you some help, man?
What do you mean?
Do you need to call someone?
Like, what do you mean?
I don't know what's going on. You're burning 4 o'clock and you're
That-
passing
that-
out. You're passing out.
That was an
Are
accident.
you on something, man?
I swear to God, no. No. I'm not on anything. I don't do drugs, thank you.
I have to ask the question.
Well, you can ask the questions, but I do not do drugs. You know, it's just been a stressful freaking.
It's stressful for everybody. But you
I know, and I
you
understand.
you
And I'm so sorry for her because
I
she
know.
left me one of the most beautiful notes I've ever seen in my life.
I know.
You know,
I
Lucy,
get it, but-
Lucy is like awesome. Don't get me wrong. I've never actually met her personally, but she gave me one of the best notes I've ever seen in my life.
It's great, man. Just gotta remember that there's someone else living here, and
I get it, and I fucked up.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
so I don't have to come here at 4 o'clock in the morning again.
Promise you, no, sir.
Thanks.
Okay, I'll keep my shit together and.
You gotta clean this up tonight, buddy.
Yeah, I will.
Thanks.
And no more microwave popcorn in the oven.
Look, I'm sorry.
And is this
I know
yours?
I thought it was something that would have worked, and I was just stupid.
Is this yours?
You know, like I'm not trying to hurt or harm or
Well,
I know,
this,
but
or anybody.
yeah, this can't be in here.
It's not even plugged in.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
this is
but
a
this is
common
common
space.
space.
You have to put this in your apartment, buddy.
Unless you want somebody that wants it, because I don't actually have a use for it.
You gonna sell it?
No, it's up to you guys if you guys want it.
I don't want it. I don't want it.
It's gotta be out of here.
You can't stay here.
Okay, then I'll sell it. I'm sorry.
Thanks.
You know, I'm so sorry, Leo.
1 week.
I-
It's gotta be.
Yeah, it's gotta be out of here, man.
No, that's
Common
fine.
space.
That's fine. You know, I didn't expect for that to happen. I am.
Can't put that stuff in there, man. Are you working?
Yes.
You can see why I'm concerned, though. Eh?
No, I understand
You understand why I'm
100%.
concerned? I come here and there's stuff burning in the oven. That's major stuff, man.
No, I understand 100%.
So you wouldn't got up, you would have burned my house down.
I know, I understand 100%. I'm not arguing with you in any way. I'm not denying that in any way. All I wanted was some freaking popcorn.
Have a better day, man.
Hey. Leo.
Open some windows and clear it out.
Thank you.
Yeah, we've got to get together, like.
I know. You know what?
You think Canada already done, but it smells and things burning. You gotta be more careful when you use the oven.
No, I know. I gotta be more careful. The first thing is because that skillet that's on, the oil on there, I couldn't find my frying pan, so it was still in a box. And I was making eggs for my daughter this morning, and burning the oil. And set off the smoke a lot.
Gotta be real careful, man.
I get it, and I'll have this cleaned up right away. I'm sorry.
Excellent.